Where will it be? Bob told me it would be here. There it is. Ho ho ho! This must be the magic machine that gives you infinite ice creams. I guess that if I go through the door, it will grant my wish too. I want 1,000,000 ice creams, please. Huh? Oh man, what a scam. Who are you? Hey, what are you doing?
Peaceful days are always the best ones. Huh? Hey, Bob. How you doing?
Jonny, this is crazy! There's a horde of bulldozers destroying the construction site!
A horde of bulldozers? What are you talking about?
I'm telling you, we need your help and quick!
Don't worry, Bob. I'll take care of this. I can't get in touch with him. Time for plan B.
Hi,
Hello?
Jonny!
Guys, there's something fishy going on with Billdozer. Can you go to the city and investigate?
Of course!
Right away, boss!
Billdozer, stop!
You'll have to be more specific.
This is a mess. We have to stop them both. Please, leave me alone! Hey, pick on someone your own size, big guy. Catch me if you can, Anima Snail.
Huh?
Hi! You'll have to do better than that, buddy. What?
Croco, move!
Whoa!
And now!
Huh? Whoa!
What happened? Where did they go?
Guys, you better take a look at this.
Help! Help!
This is a disaster.
What?
You know what to do, right?
Oh, yeah.
We'll just need a little boost. Hey, Batfly, how's the mission going?
You won't believe it, Jonny! Those bulldozers were cloned! We know how to defeat them, but I need a little help.
Say no more. It's power up time. With this, we'll be done in a jiffy.
Let's do this. That was the last clone left.
Yeah, but where is the real Billdozer?
Hey, guys. Ouch!
What? I had to make sure he was the real one.
Anyway, the big guy has to answer a lot of questions.
It was this big weird machine that made clones. You'll see. No.
What's going on, Bill?
The machine is gone. It's disappeared.
Please, somebody help us! The fire is getting higher! Yes, I have a signal! I'll call for help!
Here's Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob! Katie and I are trapped on a fire! We need the Anima Squad!
Understood. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny!
Hi, Johnny.
Batfly, Wheelefin, there's a fire in the city! I need you to go there and put it out!
Leave it to us.
We'll do it, Johnny!
Wow, what happened here?
How could the town hall catch fire?
Here's the plan, Wheels. First, let's rescue our friends. We'll put out the fire leak.
I can reach Katie, but Bob is too high for me. Can you take care of him?
No problem, big guy. Help me, Wheelefin! The fire is getting closer!
Don't worry, Katie. I'll get you down. The coast is clear. Hurry up. Get down before the fire surrounds the place again. Are you okay, Katie?
I'll be alright. Thank you, Wheelefin.
I wonder how Batfly is doing. Ah.
Come on, Bob, you have to jump now! No way, it's too high! It wasn't that, was it?
Batfly! Bob! I'm so glad to see you!
Everyone is safe now.
Yes! Let's put out the fire!
Oh no, Edward's still inside!
No!
Ow! There's too much debris and the fire is spreading. We won't make it.
Leave it to me!
Wheelefin, how's the mission going?
We have an emergency, Johnny! Ed was also trapped in Town Hall and we can't get him out! I need an extra hand!
Say no more. Activating power up.
Yes! That's more like it! Batfly, find something to help me put out the fire!
Roger that.
I got this! Quick! Ed! Get out!
Huh?
Now I'll deal with this. Batfly, just in time! We did it!
Yes, but I still wonder how all this could happen. Guys, look at this!
Wait, the remote control, the robot, the gun. Evil Vicky!
You might have ruined my plans this time, Anima Fools, but I have more tricks up my sleeve. Aw. Yes! Playing in the snow is so much fun!
I know. I love cold weather.
Huh? Wait, what happened? Why is it so hot?
Huh? Where's all the snow?
There's nothing like summer.
We need your help, Johnny. The weather. It's too hot.
Katie, I'm having trouble hearing you, but don't worry, I'll send help.
Hi, Johnny?
Guys, I'm having trouble with the energy supply, and there's something going on with the weather. You need to fix it.
Don't worry, Johnny. We've got it. We'll take care of it. Oh no, Bob! Come on, Wheel of Fan. We must help him.
It looks like he's had a heat stroke.
Can you pour some water on him?
Thanks, guys. It was a snowy day, but suddenly this awful heat hit me.
That's bizarre.
What a lovely sunny day. Hey!
Looks like someone's enjoying the hot weather.
Focus, Traco. We need to help Rhino Trucks.
Are you all right, buddy?
Yeah, but the heat is making me very tired. I have no energy.
Don't worry. We know what to do. Nora, we need your help, quickly!
Everything all right?
There's no electricity and this heat is damaging the AnimaCars.
Don't worry, we'll take care of that. You'll have your energy back in no time. Oh no! The power plant's not working!
Where's this cable coming from?
We should follow it to see where it leads.
This is Vicky's machine!
That's why she was so happy in the park.
Don't even bother trying, Anima Losers. Only I can control the machine.
We need to get that remote Wheel of Fan.
Oh, you want this? Then come and get it. Aha!
We have to be faster!
You're right, my friend. We have to get help.
Draco, is that you?
Johnny, I need your help to catch Vicky.
What was that, buddy?
Help, Johnny, help!
Don't worry, activating power up.
Now we're talking! I can't keep going with this awful heat.
I got you, Traco!
You'll never catch me, Anima Fool.
Looks just like I just did.
Where do you think you're going?
Come on, Vicky. Time to get things back to normal.
All right. You'll pay for this, Anima. Achoo! It's alive! Help! Someone help me! This city is mine. Here's Johnny. How can I help?
Johnny, help me! He's got a T-Rex truck!
Oh no, this isn't good. Don't worry, Bob. I'm sending help. Guys, red alert! Vicky is attacking the city with some kind of dinosaur. You gotta get there as soon as possible.
All right.
All right. Oh no, what a mess!
We need to find Bob.
Wait, what's that?
Yay!
Quickly, guys. Let's help him.
What do you think you're doing, animal loser? Yeah!
I got you, buddy.
Come on, let's get them!
You're safe now, Bob.
Thank you, guys, but that evil creature is still out there!
Don't worry, stay hidden and we'll take care of Vicky.
Stop right there.
You wish. Easy peasy.
Hey!
Help me!
Oh no! They're gonna get Katie!
We need some help.
Hi, dog ears.
Hi, Johnny. I need your help to stop Vicky and her T-Rex.
Roger that. Activating power up.
Time to stop that evil monster.
I'll give you all my ice cream, Vicky, but please stop him. But where's the fun in that?
Your evil plans are over.
You really think you can defeat us, little kitty?
Well, he's not alone. Come on, Tigers, let's show them how we do it!
You're gonna pay for this, foolish lizard.
Good thinking, pal!
Don't even think about it, Vicky.
You still have to clean all this mess.
I hate you, animal losers!